Good day to everyone watching me. So today we'll be talking about relay connection on normally open. Relay connection on normally open. Last time we talked about relay connection on normally close. Relay connection on normally close. What we discussed on that relay connection, which is our contactor, our timer, our relay. So I will still post this diagram to just still show more light, to throw more light on that our last time this thing. So I should have done this diagram and attach it together with the video. So but this one I'm going to attach it with this video that I'm going to upload this time around. So today now we are going to move directly so that we don't waste much time. So the connection to the normally open. Connection to normally open. Still on our breaker. Still on what we need on our, what is it called, our timer. We are going to use still our timer and the relay. Now both of them, which is I will be using this diagram to explain for you first, then I will now go straight directly to the connection. So now from our breaker is taking the source. So from the source, then my A1 is my live, which is the positive side of the timer. So the same thing happened to the relay too. My A1 is what? My positive side. I use it as my positive side, which is the 1, the 2 and 10. The 2 and 10 of my relay. My relay is the A1 and A2 is my 2 and 10. So I have explained the relay already, so we don't need to go back there. So my positive goes to the timer, which is the A1. Then from there again it loops to normally close to 1, which is the main. I told you 1 is the main. Then it moves there again to what? To 3. It moves to 3 again, which is 3 is a main as well. So which is I connect the 3 main together, which is from the same source. Number 3 is a main. Number 1 is a main. The A1 of this timer is a main. So now this A1 of the timer and the 1 of the timer, which is the one on the other side of the timer. So which is I'm saying this timer, the A1 and the A2 on the timer, and the other side, which is number 1 as my main on the timer as well. So the A1 I looped, which is the mains share for both A1 on the timer and what? My main on the timer as well, which is they share the same positive from the main supply that comes in to feed both of them. Now the 2 of them is having positive. So on my relay as well, on my relay as well. Now the number 3, which is what we have read on this, my 3 is close to 7. So I plan, just like I think, to use another thing that is different from what we have been using before. Before we are using 1, 4, 5. So today I just like, let's use another number, let's use another series. So which is 3, 7 and 6. So my 3 is my main, while 7 is close permanently to 7. So today we're talking about working on normally open. So now I have loop. So I decided to pick the source to pick for 3 on my relay directly from the source, not looping from his own source, because what is going to feed this connection on this relay is going to be from what? From the timer. Before on the other one, it's the timer, the relay, they get their supply from directly from the source. But this one is not going to get its source directly from there. So that is why the connections are different. So what we are going to do now, and I go move on to the next connection. I have explained the positive side, how the positive side is shared. It's shared in 3 places. Now the negative, I told you before, all negative connected together, all the negative side connected together. Now to the connection on the timer below. To the connection on the timer, today we are connecting on normally close. Now our normally close on the timer, it is 2. Our normally close on the timer, it is 2. And in my diagram, in the diagram that is on the relay here, That is on the relay. They said 3 is close to 7. 3 is close to 7. So my 7 is close. So what is open? It is 6. What is open? It is 6. Then I have my lamp beside here. I have my lamp at this end of the diagram here, which is, this is my lamp. So this lamp can signify anything. It may be a device, it may be contactor, it may be generator, it may be anything. It may be anything. So I just use it as a lamp, or any device as anything, just like so. It can be anything. It can be anything that we want to use it to control. So I just use it so that we can all see what is happening. Now, since we are connecting on normally open, so we connect the lamp to what? To 6, which is on normally open on my relay. Now the timer too, I'm going to connect. The number 2 on my timer would be the one that will feed this contactor, would be the one that will control this contactor, which is when this one is energized, this one receives power. When it's energized, this receives power. That means my 2 is going to go to my 10, which is my 2 is going to go to my A1, since I use A1 as the positive of both sides of the connection. So my 2 is going to go to what? A1 as the positive side, Then since the neutral is connected, that one is connected. So that means if this timer is energized, this open will become closed. So it's going to transfer the current to what? To 2. Then my timer, my relay will be what? Will be working. And now when it's close to that one, then this my 3 too will what? Will leave this normally open, which is 7, and goes to what? And transfer current to 6. So that is how this is connected on normally open. So it is very, very easy for this one, because since we have I have explained the timer before, and I have explained the relay before. So it is easy. Still the same thing on the connection. So in this connection, this open connection, normally open connection, is mainly used for what? For automation, which is either ATS, any automation system will be say that you want to use. So this normally open control is normally working for them. So now let's go to them. But the other one that we first explained, which is this normally closed, is a secondary connection, which is it's mainly for one particular thing. Just like this is not something which you need multiple connection for. So this is something which you use for one particular thing. I want this device to be working for so hour and turned off. That is when you need this normally closed normally closed connection. When you are putting a device on a time, that is when you need this, even though it is a digital or an analog. So it's the same thing, normally closed connection. But if you are going for automation system, you use normally open for both sides. So today let's connect this normally open connection on this diagram, and let's see how it works. So let's start the connection.
It's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I can see, yeah. These days I don't It's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
So with what is here, I think we are complete. We are done. We are completely set to give this a try. We are set. We have connect our mains. So our supply has come into here. Then supply to so our mains are supplied to the timer. Then
If you found the one, you should never give her up.
our mains are supplied to the timer. Then from the mains again, we give to, as we've discussed, we are sharing our supply to three devices, which is the first one. Okay, it's remaining one to connect. Remaining one to connect. I do not have the color red wire. I'm going to use this one to connect it. I'll use this black as my positive side. Well, let me just put a little bit mark on it so it just make it different from the others.
Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby.
So this is the three supply that we talk about. One supply, we supply this device. The second supply, we supply the other side that is going to power on this device. Then the third supply is going to be for the device, device itself, what we are controlling, which is this bulb that we are controlling. I think we are good to go. Let's test this and see if it works. So now let's adjust the time to 4 seconds. Let me adjust to 4 seconds, then let's see. Open, so it did not work. So let's trace what is the issue, then we look at what is happening. So I've seen the issue. I think our line that we pick 3, 7, and 6. I think the line 3 we cannot use that line. Let's use another one. Let's go for 11, 8, and 9. 11, 8, and 9. That is the problem. Why it did not come up is 11, 8, and 9. So 11, 8, and 9. Let's transfer this to 11.
These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days
11, Then 9 is open. 9 is open. 9 is open. So let's take this 9.
Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
So here we are. So this is everything. So before our 3 is unable to transmit to 6, so I think it is from the timer. So we change the leg from 3 to 11. So 11 now is transmitting to 9 on open connection. So this is open now, but open in this connection now has become closed. So that is the connection for open, normally open connection. So this is that we are good to go. So if you have any question, or you do not understand anything, or you think I missed something, that I omitted something which I need to explain, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and share this video, like and share it so that let other people to see what we are doing. Thank you.